Hello guys, it's a long time no see, and today I'm gonna create a code from using Node.js to create a server, alright, or a local host. Alright, but before anything else, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updated. Alright, so for now our newly uploaded videos. Got sick, yeah, in the past few days I am not feeling so well, but thank goodness I am a little bit better. Alright, so how do we start? Before anything else, we can actually download some requirements, like for example, download the latest version of the Node.js, which is this one, which is said to have a long-term support. Yeah, so you can actually choose this one or the current and latest features, but the problem with this is it's still on trial. Alright, so once you install, you can actually check your command prompt. Alright, so you type node and then dash v, and then it will show you the latest version, or the version that you have installed is in my case, alright, so in my case it's version 14.17.5. Alright, so that's set. We can go back to coding. Alright, so I open up my Visual Studio Code, and here, so the code is already been here because I've been doing this for 2 days, or say 2 weeks, because of my dream, alright, of creating a website that has video conferencing capability. Alright, so and then I was forced to use an SDK and an API. Alright, and it forced me to connect to another provider, like so for example Zoom, WebEx, Metered, and so on and so forth, but none work. Alright, so I did not say that they're not working. Maybe it's just that I am not yet ready, or I do not yet know how to put things on their proper places. Alright, so it's like a puzzle, but I found a way, which is actually, what if I can create a local server? Alright, yeah, so I have my local host, which is this one, SAMP, but another one, which will actually stand for the website where I'm gonna get everything. Yeah, so it's a Kage Bunshin. Alright, so that's it. So it's a bunshin of the real one. Alright, but it's right inside my computer, so I can access it anytime I want. Unlike Zoom, you have to unlike Meter, you have to create a room, then by and by you contact the server. Alright, so yeah, so it's what do you call that, peer connection. You have to establish the peer connection and so on and so forth, because if you do not do the peer connection, your computers will not be able to talk to one another and things like that. But right now, that will be simplified if you have your own extra server. Alright, so you can connect, then yeah, so tap on that particular localhost or port, then you can get information. Alright, so how do we start? Alright, so we start by requiring, alright, HTTP. Alright, so you know what it means, hypertext transfer protocol. Alright, so ibig sabihin, that means alright, so we are giving our server, okay, an HTTP capability. Okay, so require HTTP. Okay, and then we are going to force this HTTP to create a server. Alright, and then inside is this create server function, It's a built-in function. And then inside this, you can actually put request. This one is for request, and then this one is for response. Alright. So if the request is named or is fulfilled, alright, so you will see this one, 200. So some of you will see 404 or 400. So error 404 if URL is not found, something like that. And 400 if, yeah, and 200 is a good status, I think. Yeah. So I do not know specifically for what is that 200 thing, but I commonly see 400 if I do not see the, or 404 rather. Alright, so content type. So the content of this particular thing or web page is a text or an HTML, and it's right there. Yeah. So hello world. Alright, so meaning to say, if it's created, we are going to see a web page that has written hello world on it. Alright, so and then yeah, so the end thing, yeah, so you always have to include this. And then we are on port 80. Okay, so here that server will listen to port 80. Alright, and then if it's true, we are trying to listen on that server. Then if it's true, and then we will write on the console, okay, the server is running. Alright, so once you run that, so you can actually run this on the terminal. So you write node app.js, which is the name of the app JS file. Alright, and then it will write on the console, okay, the server is running. And then you go to your browser, and then you type localhost. Alright, and then the port number is 80, and then you refresh. Yeah, you see that there is this one, hello world, and test. So meaning to say your localhost now is working. And particularly this can act as a proxy, or I don't know, a kagibunshi for that. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I hope you guys give a thumbs up for appreciation purposes. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. If creating a local host using this is a good thing or worth it for web developers like you and I. Alright, so yeah, bye bye guys, and see you soon.